Hello and welcome to episode 61 on how to make a GTA 5-star game in Unity 3D. Today we're going to start off with the money system. So what we're going to do is create two variables, cash and bank account, and then we're going to have it so it just saves it. And that's what we're going to do today. Obviously we're going to make it so it renders the money you have as well. So yeah. So first thing we need to do is go into our player controller. And actually no, let's not do that. Let's go into Game Manager. And let's go down to the bottom where we have our character, all right? And then under name, we're gonna create two new variables. They'll both be int, int, cash, public int, bank account, I guess. And both will be at 0. So what we're gonna do is a little thing that's gonna make life easier. Is we're gonna create at the top of Game Manager now. So we're gonna create a variable. It's going to be a char character, and we're going to call it currency. So that way, like, say we have to draw in different places, draw the money in different places, and we might have to, if we want to change the currency halfway through or play around with something, we'll have to go into each of them. But with this, we don't have to. We can literally just call that, and then we can change it in the editor. So if we go into our Game Manager, compile. So as you can see, we have our variables, and there's our currency. So I can put the £sign in, $sign. I unfortunately don't have the euro sign on my keyboard, so I can't do that, but you might. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it with the £sign for now. And then what we're going to do is go into our, where are you, Save Manager. Okay, Save Manager. And what we're going to do is in save is we are going to go save objs.add. Sorry about that. So in save, we're going to go add, save managers add. We are going to go save managers.add game manager.instance.characters 0.cash. Okay, and then I'll just copy and paste that a few times. So 1, 2, and then we're going to do bank account. Go and then 1, 2, lovely. So that'll add that to the save manager. What I noticed something here that I probably should have done before, but I didn't actually realize it. Is at the top of save, we should have save objs.clear. And the reason is because if we save it multiple times, it will try to save the same variables over and over and over, and we obviously don't want that. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So we're going to put save objs.clear at the top of save. Okay. Now what we're going to do is oh wait, no, that's wrong. Now we're going to load it. All right. So we're going to go. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Going to go that characters 0.cash equals. No, what was it? So int O, I think we named it O, and then what was the index? So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Crap, hold on. So it's gonna be a pain. Okay. Hold on a second. Never mind. I figured it out. I was an idiot and I thought that said save OBJ. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I went a bit kiwi there. 7, so 7 equals int 7, and then cash 1, 2, and then 8, 9. Lovely. And then we've got to do the bank account. So bank account 0, and then 10, and then 1 and 2, and then 11 and 12. Right, so that's just indexing it. So obviously the very first one in the list will be index of 0, which is why I started that at 0. So yeah, there will actually be 13 items in the save thing now. But when we start it up, what you will see is we get an error because, or we get a out of range exception thingy because we haven't yet saved anything for that. So what I'm just going to do is go into our save file, wherever that may be. I've completely forgotten. Hold on. I'm good at this, aren't I? Right. So let me just log that out. Oh, it is logged. Okay. So we're going to get a load of errors. Or not. I thought we would. No, that's interesting. Okay. Well, I'm just going to quickly go in and delete our save file. Here it is. Delete. Lovely. So now what we're going to do is have it so we're going to create 2 new UI text elements. So the first text element will simply be called player_cash, and so we're just going to do £0. Where is it there? I'll make sure it is white so you can actually see it. And we're going to do overflow and overflow and make it probably about 20. It's a good size, so we just move it over. So how far? Oh, minus 100, 1,000, much. Minus 500, no, 800, 900, 850, 870. Okay, and then we go down. So there's our cash. So that's minus 300. Actually, so what we can do is just cash colon. Okay, yeah, that's what we'll do. And then bank account colon 0. There we go. In fact, I'll move that over a little bit more so it's actually on the edge of the screen. 875, lovely. So player_money, I'm going to call it. And now we need to go into our GUI manager. Okay, I'm going to create another variable of type text. And we're going to name it player money. That's simple. So what we're going to do, player money, so let's drag it in. So actually what we're going to do is we're going to have, back in Game Manager now, we're going to have our cash and bank account. Actually no, let's just set a variable. This will be so much easier if we do this. So a variable? A method. So in Game Manager, actually no, let's do it in character. So we're going to create a public void set cash, right? And we're going to obviously do an int c. So we're going to go cash equals c. I'm doing this so we don't have to create a second private variable. So we have to do it for the property, just so we can literally just do this. And then in the set cache, all we have to do is go whatever we want to do to set the cache. So we can call it so it updates how much money we have. And then we're also going to do public void set bank account int c. And then bank account equals c. We should have named it b, but oh well. And then, actually what we're going to do is we're going to create cache. We're going to make cache as a get property. Same with bank account, so that way we have to set it through this method. We have to. Oh, damn it. Okay, we can't do that then. Never mind. Okay, let's not do that. Let's not do that. That's a bad idea, but we just got to remember to set it through that, I guess. Or we can make it private and do a get thing. Nah, let's leave it at that. That's fine. Yeah, that's perfect. So now what we're going to do is in our set cash and set bank account, what we're going to do is go in set cash, is go GUI manager dot instance dot, we're gonna name it money, player money dot text equals cash colon space plus game manager dot instance dot currency plus plus cash dot toString plus space plus bank plus space bank account colon space plus game manager dot instance dot currency plus bank account dot toString. That's it for now. That's all we need to do for that. So that literally just adds loads of strings together. And we don't need to do currency dot toString because it's a char. And that works perfectly fine. A char is basically just a single character. I think it's 1 byte. So yeah, and then we can just copy that into the set bank account as well. So then what we need to do is in our set character. Okay. In set cash, what we're going to do is go if game manager dot instance dot current character. Let's do dot name, just to be on the safe side, is equal to name. So then it will set it. And let's do that in that as well. Because sometimes there's a bit of an issue with comparing serialized classes. I don't know what the problem with it is, but sometimes there is an issue with it, so I'm just doing this to be safe. So that looks good. So let's copy and paste the GUI player money text thing up to our change character. And literally all we have to do is go. Now, why have I got 2? All right, let's put it in both. Fair enough. So at the bottom of each of them, doesn't like that. Okay, so we're going to go c.cash instead of just cash, and c.bank account instead of just bank account. C because that is our character, and then we're going to put it at the bottom of the second change character, but above where we revive it. Okay, so lovely jubbly. So now, what I'm going to do is go into our character set car bank so between cash and bank account. Cash to 100, bank account to 2000. Justin will be 10 and then 50. So he spends a lot, I guess. Vincent 0 cash and 10 bank account. Yeah, why not? So as you can see, 10 cash and 60 bank account, and then we switch to some other guy, and there you go, 100 cash, 2000 bank account. And if we change this to the $, and then we switch, it goes to it, and there we go, we got $10 and $60 instead of pounds. So there we go. So that's it for this week, I think. Yeah, that's lovely. So next week, what we're going to be doing, it's when you kill a person, he drops his cash. And then eventually we'll do shops and things as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, then please leave a like. If not, then don't, and let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. Feedback is always good. If you want to, you can subscribe. There'll be new episodes of this every Tuesday. And yeah, if you want to, you can share as well. Just get knowledge out about these things. Very useful if you do. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and bye-bye.